Welcome to Trimark Europe Limited. My name is David Farrer and I'm the Managing Director here at Trimark. Trimark is a global organisation based in the States, in New Hampton in Iowa. We have manufacturing facilities in the US, in the UK and in China as well. We manufacture high quality door access and compartment systems for off-road, agricultural, armoured vehicle and specialty vehicles. We moved to this site in 2023 as part of our growth strategy. So we've grown from 8.5 million to 16 million. Previous to being on this site here, we had two operational sites in Crowville. We had a manufacturing site, which was about a mile from here. And we also had a warehouse site, which again was a mile from here in a different direction. We had to prepare all of the parts that we required for the assembly operations in the warehouse. We'd ship all the parts over to van to manufacturing. We'd then manufacture, we'd assemble and we'd process the parts, and then we'd send them back to the warehousing to then be shipped on to customers. And that's not an ideal way of working. We wanted to consolidate that on one site within the Barden area. We actually came to meet the Howarth Group while this site was being planned with the local council. And we worked with the Howarth Group right the way through the planning and the build procedure. And we worked with them on the specification of what we were requiring in terms of the surface area and then the delivery of the project, the build of the unit, and then the moves thereafter. Having the opportunity to work with the Howarth Group through the design phase of the building allowed us to discuss some of our needs. Being a manufacturing business, we actually have a lot more people on site than a normal warehousing facility of this size would have. One of the main problems facing manufacturing is having enough car parking space. So we have a unit here that provides us with enough car parking space for our employees. We also required some docking stations so that we could cross-dock product from one container route to another. So that was designed into the building. And then when we started to move on to the fit out as well, because we've got quite a heavy fit out within this building to accommodate our manufacturing processes, we worked very closely with the Howarth team to provide us with enough power. The unit came with a 200 kVA switch. We did with 500, so we have our very own transformer that was provided by the Howarth Group. And then there was the fit out of the building, so the running of the cables, running of all the power, that was all agreed and accommodated by the Howarth Group as well. It's been a step change for the business here in the UK. Not having that transfer of parts from the warehouse into the factory, and having that all consolidated on one site, that's enabled us to cut the sheer movement times down for the material from days to hours. It's been a great process with the Howarth Group. We're very, very pleased to have such a fantastic facility. Moving into a facility it's a big step for any company. To work with a partner like the Howarth Group was very good. They were very accommodating and they listened as well. They listened to our needs and they worked with us to see whether they could deliver on those needs. And they did, which was great.